Hello children, this is Monica Singh and today I am here with class 2 English grammar chapter 1 common noun and proper noun. Today we are going to do further exercises in this lecture. Some exercises we have done in previous lecture and we will do further exercises.
So children, we will start with our next exercise number 2. This exercise you don't have to write in your notebook. You will only solve in this PDF only. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns in this paragraph. Paragraphs are given, you have to underline the common noun and circle the proper noun. So let's start doing this exercise. I live in Delhi. Now Delhi is proper noun, so it is circled. It is the capital of India. Again the capital word is common noun, so we have underlined. India is proper noun here, so we will circle India. The river Yamuna flows through Delhi. Now the river is also common noun, and Yamuna is a proper noun. Flows through Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. There are many important buildings, common noun, in the city, common noun. Some of these are the Red Fort, proper noun, Qutub Minar, proper noun, Humayun's tomb, proper noun, Lotus Temple, proper noun. The main shopping areas of Delhi, proper noun, are Connaught Place. It is a proper noun. Karol Bagh, it is a proper noun. And Chandni Chowk, it is also a proper noun. Delhi has one airport. Now airport is common noun, so we will underline that. It is called Indira Gandhi International Airport. Now the word Indira Gandhi, the name proper noun Indira Gandhi, we will circle that as it is the proper noun. Now come to exercise number 3. Circle the proper nouns in this box. In this box, some proper nouns are given. You have to find and you have to circle. This will be your homework. This also you will solve in the PDF only. You will not write in your notebook. Now come to exercise number 4. Now this exercise you will write in your notebook. This you have to do in the notebook. Now what you will do, you will write the question, you will write the exercise number. I'll show you in the notebook. Like in previous lecture we have done exercise number 1 till here. After exercise 1, next line you will write exercise 4. You will write the full question. I have not written here full, but you will write the full question. Then you will copy all the 8 sentences in your notebook. Suppose your page is filled, so you will use a new page to write the remaining ones, but you will not write any date. I have told you in the previous lecture that we don't write date on every page. When we begin with the chapter, when we start a new chapter, then only we write the date. When we continue with the chapter, we don't write any date. So you are not going to write date here. Then 8th one. Then after this, after copying the sentences, you will divide page into 2 parts. You will use a ruler to draw a middle line. Then here you will write proper noun and here you will write common noun. Then from the sentences only you are going to find the proper noun and common noun. Like here it is given, my aunt lives in Chennai. Now the Chennai word is proper noun, so I have written here, and aunt is common noun, so I have written here. Now the next one we will do in the book. I will solve here and you will also write in the notebook. This is my dog Rambo. Now the word here in this sentence, what is proper noun? Yes, Rambo is proper noun. And common noun? Yes, dog is common noun. Then the river Yamuna flows through Delhi. Now in this sentence, what is proper noun? Children, you have to give answer also. Don't think that we are not in conversation. Please keep giving answers. I know you have understood the chapter, you know the answers also. So please give answers also. The river Yamuna flows through Delhi. Now what is proper noun here? Yamuna and Delhi. Then common noun is only river. Then fourth one, Amit forgot to post the letter. Now proper noun in this sentence is Amit and common noun is letter. The next one, Maya has read many books. Now here proper noun is Maya and common noun is books. Now the next one, Paris is the capital of France. Now the proper noun is Paris and France and common noun is capital. This we have done in the exercise number 2. The word capital came and it was underlined. So children, you can also simply find out the proper noun as these words are written in capital letter. You can see that they are coming in the middle of the sentence or in the end, then also they are written in the capital letter. So this means they are the proper noun, and proper noun we will always write in the capital letter, whether we are beginning with the sentence or whether the proper noun is coming in the end or in the middle. It will always be written in the capital letter. Now the seventh one, my mother bakes delicious cake. Now what is proper noun here? Can you see any proper noun? No, there is no proper noun here. So we'll put a cross here and answer will be mother cakes. Only common nouns are there, no proper noun. Now the eighth one, the children are playing. In this also there is no proper noun, so we have put a cross and then answer is children. So do this exercise in the notebook. Don't see from this lecture. Copy the questions, copy the sentences in the notebook and then do it on your own. We have done in the book, fine, but you will not copy from this. Parents, keep this in mind that children do not copy anything from the lecture. Please help them that they should do the work on their own. Let them try. They will do wrong, but we are there to make them correct. So please let them try. Don't ask them to copy from the lecture. Now the exercise number 5. Now this exercise you will write in your homework and you will do in your notebook. This exercise you will do in your notebook. What you have to do, fill in the form with proper nouns, name, father's name, mother's name, school, address, street name. Street name like the place where you live, the colony, the place. For example, I am giving like Awas Vikas. It is the street name, so you will write that name, whichever street you live, and city is Jhansi. Okay children, fill in the form. This you will write in notebook. After exercise number 4, you will write this exercise. If the page is filled, I'll show you in the notebook. Like here, the page is filled, so you will use a new page here. You will use a new page here and you will write here exercise number 5. Fill in the form with proper nouns. You will write this question, then you will write name, father's name, mother's name, address, street, city, and you will do this exercise here. Children, make notebook for grammar. Cover it very nicely. Either cover it with cellophane or with brown paper and put a name slip on that with class name and section. Now the exercise number 6. In this, write C if the word in color are common noun and P if they are proper noun. Wherever common noun is given, you will write C in front of that. Wherever proper noun is given, you will write P in front of that. Long ago in a country. Now the country is common noun, so C is written. Of Persia. Now Persia again proper noun. We write P. There lived a man. It is a common noun. He was a priest. Common noun. His name, common noun, was Nasruddin. Nasruddin is proper noun. And he was very clever. One day is common noun. Nasruddin went to his neighbors. Common noun, house. Common noun. His neighbor was a woman. It is a common noun. Called Fatima. It is a proper noun. May I borrow a pen? It is a common noun. Asked Nasruddin. Of course, said Fatima. So, we have done this chapter. We are finished with this chapter. In the next lecture, we will do chapter number 2, singular and plural. Thank you, children. Stay home, stay safe.